If the margin math doesn't work on the back of the napkin, it doesn't work in real life. We have an idea, we have that it's validated demand. Now we need to see if we can even make it for a price that makes sense for the market. We are going to be doing a go, no go decision here. At this stage, there are only 4 numbers that I care about to get to a contribution margin estimate. What is the selling price of our product? Amazon fee estimates, freight costs, duty costs, testing costs, and the product costs from the supplier. Any one of these 4 things breaks the math, the product is dead, and we walk away. Let's say we have a hypothetical product that we need to sell for around $35. Amazon fees on a product like this might be around $10. You can use Amazon's revenue calculator to find a similar product in the market and estimate. I'll link that link in the description. We're just going to assume $5 for duties and fees in this example. So far, we have $35 selling price, $10 Amazon fees, $5 in duties and tariffs and shipping. That leaves us with $20 left. What a minimum viable contribution margin should be on your first product. My target that I think you should be aiming for is 45%. You can have more than that, but 45% is the target. That may be hard to reach for some products, especially new products that you're developing. And in that case, it may be okay to go to 40%, but below 40% is an absolute no-go. Your product idea is dead in the water. We're talking about contribution margin here. We're ignoring variable costs after we get the product into the market. That means we're not talking about ads, discounts, or deals. 45 or 40% is going to leave us room. If we go lower than that, we are not going to have any marketing levers that we're going to be able to pull to move our product faster. Now that we know we're aiming for 45%, we had $20 left over. The formula for contribution margin is your sell price minus your costs divided by the sell price. If we do this example out and we're aiming for 45% margin, your product cost can be $4.25. If you go to a 40% gross margin, your product cost can be $6. We need to know the maximum product cost before we ever email a supplier. We then take this number, we go over to Alibaba, and we just do a quick gut check. We're not negotiating, we're just asking, is this realistic? If the suppliers we see on Alibaba don't even come close to this number, it's a no-go. We walk away. If the product idea has a 45% margin, great job, move on. If your product idea has a 40% contribution margin, we're going to proceed with caution. If it doesn't support at least 40%, we are going to walk away. In my Build With Me series, I'm going to walk you through this step by step, assuming you can hit a 40 or 45% margin. The next step here is differentiation, and we're going to talk about that in the next video.